not getting WhatsApp notifications after locking your iPhone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix WhatsApp notifications not coming after locking your iPhone. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Try turning on your airplane mode on and off. Make sure to turn off and do not disturb mode. Solution 1. Check the notifications settings. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap Notifications. Now tap Show Previews. Make sure to choose Always or When Unlocked here. Then, go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Now, enable the Allow Notifications. If it is disabled, then sorry, you won't get any notification from WhatsApp. Next, make sure to enable Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners Alerts. Now, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on WhatsApp Notification Settings. It will redirect you to the app notification settings. Make sure to enable all the settings except the clear badge. Still, if the issue persists, tap Reset Notification Settings here. Tap Reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now, select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then, go back. Scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 3. Update your WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. Now, find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see an update option available, then update the app. And that's all. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.